In today's episode, we explore the personal life of Pete Townshend, the legendary guitarist and songwriter for The Who. Over the years, fans have often wondered, is Pete Townshend gay? Let's take a closer look at what he said and where he stands today. Pete Townshend was born on the 19th of May, 1945, in London, England. He rose to fame in the 1990s as the lead guitarist, songwriter, and creative force behind The Who, one of rock's most influential bands. Known for hits like Baba O'Reilly, My Generation, and Pinball Wizard, Pete helped shape modern rock music with his raw energy and powerful lyrics. Beyond music, Townshend is also an author, composer, and philanthropist. His creative genius, and sometimes controversial opinions, have made him both admired and debated throughout his long career. Pete Townshend has addressed his sexuality several times over the years. In past interviews, he mentioned feeling attraction to both men and women, describing himself as probably bisexual. However, he has never publicly identified as gay. He's explained that his comments were more about emotional and artistic connection than labeling his sexuality. Townshend was married to Karen Astley for several decades, and the two share children together. Despite their later separation, he's remained private about his romantic life since. As of now, Pete Townshend continues to make music and perform occasionally with The Who. He lives in England and remains involved in various creative projects. Though now, in his late 70s, his influence on rock music is as strong as ever. Townshend has said that labels don't define him. He prefers to let his art and humanitarian work speak for who he truly is. So, is Pete Townshend gay? Not exactly. He's expressed attraction across genders, but has never fully identified as gay. What's clear is that his honesty and openness have made him one of rock's most fearless voices, both musically and personally. Thanks for watching Vim Survivors. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on where they are now.